Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on a Ford Edge. So if you guys have a Ford Edge and you're trying to find the fuse for the front power seats, guys, you have two fuses, 30 fuses. Stay with us and we'll explain where you can find them, guys. If your left power seat or right power seat, front power seats do not work, guys, check out each of the fuses. One of the fuses control the left seat, the other one is for the right seat. So, quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, guys, we make at least 200 videos, and that will be the case, okay, with this generation Ford Edge. Why we guys do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart, as you know? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, and you want to get them for a really good price, fast shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where you can do all that. So, now I will explain, guys, where you can find the fuses, okay, for the front power seats. Not every Ford Edge will have front power seats, but if you do, guys, I'll show you where the fuse is located. So, as you can see, this is the power seats right there, guys. Passenger and driver side power seats. Okay, and now right here, okay, you can see this is the fuse box that we'll be working on. How you open it, guys, you press in here backwards, pull up. Now what I can do, actually, I can remove that cover, and on the back side we have the fuse numbers printed, but we do not have, guys, the description. That's what makes things a little bit more complicated. Now let me explain quick, guys. The fuse layout here, holding it that way, corresponds to what we have right there. And the fuses, guys, that we need to check now, okay, for the power seats are fuse number 60 and fuse number 61. Okay, these two fuses should be 30 fuses, guys. Those are the fuses right here, one there, one over there. Now, if you guys, okay, if you need to remove them, let me explain how you do that. Pretty simple, guys, not very complicated. You grab it with a fuse puller. Go ahead, grab it, okay, pull it out. This is the fuse right here. And those, you can check them, okay, pretty easy. Okay, let me just remove it quick out of the fuse puller. This is the fuse, and you can see if it's burnt or not. Pretty simple on the inside, guys. You can see that glass cover on the inside. You can see through it and tell if the fuse needs to be replaced. If you need to buy new fuses, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. When you're ready, guys, all we have to do, grab it and push it in. And later, guys, it's super important not to forget to install your fuse cover. Okay, here, why? Do yourself a favor and put it, make sure it's installed correctly, close it good. Because if you don't, guys, all that dust, dirt, humidity, okay, all that will end up inside, guys, and you may end up needing a new fuse box. So thank you guys for watching, thank you for subscribing to the channel, and see you guys next time.